Find the equation of the line with a slope of -3 and crossing the point -2, 2. When you know the slope of the line and one point on the line, use the point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. There are three values you need. M, which is the slope of the line, x1, which is the x-coordinate, and y1, which is the y-coordinate. Plug these values into the point-slope form. We get y minus 2 equals -3 times the quantity x minus -2. We distribute the -3 to both terms in parentheses, so we get y minus 2 equals -3x minus -3 times -2. Simplifying, we get y minus 2 equals -3x, and here we have a -3, and a -2. The product is negative, so we get -6. Now all we need to do is get rid of this term, this -2 term, and the way we do that is to add 2 to both sides. So we get y equals -3x minus 6 plus 2. And finally we get the slope-intercept form, which is y equals -3x and -6 plus 2 is -4. And this is the equation of the line that crosses this point.